Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can export your Monday.com board to Excel. So as you see, I'm now in my YouTube dashboard, but what I need to do is I need to tap on those three dots in the top right corner. So just tap on it and you see a lot of options pop up. So what you need to do is you tap on more actions, and then you see export board to Excel. Just tap on it, and as you see, includes updates. I do not recommend turning it on because it's like it gets sometimes a bit messy in that Excel sheet. So I just recommend you just include the sub items right now. You can, if you want, you can send an email to your send a copy to your email, but it's a temporary email, so I do not recommend it. No. Please note that all sorting settings that are applied to this view will not be exported to Excel, and just tap on export, and boom, your YouTube test will be exported. Your board will be exported very easily. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, it means a lot. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.